Oh, so much more than like the time you whisper in my ears. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you were here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but when you're gone and it's all so far away, I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared. The face is kind of burning from within. Learn to live my life beside you. Maybe I'm just dreaming you tonight. And if been through my dream, you come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart expands. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it's real.